Salutations, second graders, and welcome to Phonics, lesson number 22 on our mobile learning platform. Today we will be looking at some suffixes and adding them to words, and we need to remember our rules. So let's go ahead and take a look at our paper. We're on page 160 in your phonics packet. Get that out, please. 160 has a log and a raccoon at the top. Looks like this. Here we are, friends. Okay, so when we add a suffix to make a new word and the root word ends with an E, what is the rule? What is the rule that I need to follow? Let's start with Valentina. If I want to add the suffix ed to the word joke, I need to follow the rule. What is that rule? That's right. We're going to drop the E to add the ed, right? So then joke becomes joked. Right on? So far so good, second graders? Okay, so it looks like all of our words here end with an E, but here's my question. Are we going to drop the E on all of those words to add a suffix? Well, if we want the vowel in the word to say its own name, then yes, that's what we do. That's our rule, friends. We drop the E to add the suffix if the suffix starts with a vowel. So, are you ready? I want you to go ahead and work on those after we finish the page. And then you'll pause the video, finish the paper, come back and check your work. Okay? Let's move on. Number 2 says, circle the word that is spelled correctly. Now remember our rule that we just talked about. Sonia, which word is spelled correctly? Shining, S-H-I-N-I-N-G, or shining, S-H-I-N-E-I-N-G. Which one's spelled correctly? That's right. We just said we had to drop the E before we could add the suffix, right? Good job. Friends, remember we're always going to drop the E to add the suffix so that our vowel can say its own name, okay? So blazed would be which one? That's right, the second one. And I'm gonna let you finish the rest when we're done going over instructions, okay? Number 3 says circle the suffixes and underline the root words. Everybody circle the word suffix so we remember that we have 2 things to do. 1, circle the suffixes. 2, underline where it says root words, so you remember to underline the root word. Second graders, I want you to stop the video here. Do the paper, and then play the video to check your work. If you have questions after that, you can ask me in our small group or our one-on-one tutoring. Go ahead and stop the video. Alrighty, friends, I'm assuming you stopped the video and you just got back after you finished your work, so let's go over it. For the first one, we did joked together, but my question is, could I have made a different word there as well? I could have, right? I could have said joker or joking. So joked is like that. Joking would be how? How would I make joke into joking? Caesar. Drop the E and add the ing, right? Good job. How do I make hope into a word with a suffix, Jackson? Let's make it hoping. Very good. Now, why didn't I double my final consonant? If I doubled the P, would I have hoping or hopping? Ah, second graders, do you see why we have the rules? I want to be hoping that tomorrow's a beautiful sunny day. I don't want to be hopping that tomorrow's a beautiful sunny day. It wouldn't make any sense. So you have to remember our rules, okay? Okay, so then we're going to do rake. How would I put the word rake with a sentence, JJ? All right, drop the E and add the ED for raked. I could have also had raking, right? Good. How about shake? Let's add the ER to the word shake, and what do we get? That's right, we get shaker. Good job, second graders. Let's add ing to use, and what do we get? Drop the E to add the ing, using. Let's add the N to froze, and we'll have frozen. How about take? Do you want to add en to take as well? All right, so we'd have taken, right? Then we have dive. What would a good suffix for dive be, Adeline? Yes, diving. So drop the E to add the ing. Glide. Okay. G-L-I-D, drop the E to add the ER, glider. Chose. How about chosen? Good work, second graders. How about forgive? What would our suffix be for forgive? There's more than one that you could use. Which one would you like, Trinity? Forgiving. Very good. Forgiving. All right, Giovanni, how about for large? Largest. Very good. And Valentina, how about give? Ah, very good. We could go giver. We could say given, right? And then what about wise? Let's go with wisest. Very good, second graders. Circling the word that is spelled correctly. Closed the first one or closed the second one? Which one is spelled correctly, Tino? Good. And Kylie, flaming or flaming? The one with the E or the one without the E? Very good. Guys, we have to remember our rules. Drop those E's to add the suffix so that we have the vowel saying his own name. So we have gliding without the E or gliding with the E, Jackson? Good. And Sierra, praises with one E or praises with two E's? And I guess I should have said with two E's or with one E. That's right, it's the second one. Good job. All right. We're going to circle the suffixes and underline those root words. Are you ready? Okay, Reagan, loved. Root word is L-O-V. We dropped the E that was with it, and the suffix is ED, right? Good. Okay, rainy, Quincy. Underline the root word, and it is rain. What's our suffix? E and rainy, Y. Excellent work. What is my root word in hotter? What am I going to underline there, JJ? Hot. Good. And what's my suffix? Right. That other T is neither part of the suffix nor is it part of the root word. We doubled the final consonant to make the word hotter, to add the suffix ER. All right. Then we're going to make slow into slowly by, what's our suffix? LY. And our root word? Good. Quicken, what's the suffix? Bradley. And the root word? Good job. Beaches. Sean. ES is our suffix. Good. And the root word is beach. And then what about Max? What's our suffix for cats? And the root word? Good. And wonderful. Emma. Full and beautiful, F-U-L, and the root word is wonder. Good. Jackson, faithful. Good. And faith. Good. And Sonia, what's our suffix for praying? And the root word. Awesome. Second graders, I hope that you had a great time and that you did a good job. I will see you soon for more mobile learning. Bye now.